This is Flir C5 thermal imaging camera. I bought this one from Amazon, so in this video I'm going to do an unboxing and give it a test. Let's get started. It comes with a thank you letter, and this is calibration certificate, and this is the menu. I think it's from the package. It looks a little bit dusty because the packaging material, I guess. Wow, nice. It comes with the pack and with the MOLLE system. Good. Oh my god. And this is the charging, and this is a little lanyard. And this is the camera itself. This is all rubber, I'd say, and only this part is the plastic material. On the back, this is the sensor. We got flashlight, and here we got, open it. Well, it takes about 20 seconds because I think this is the first time using it. I agree. Celsius. I go for feet, time zone, and date format. And now you can set up the time. The date is right. I think I'll go for a darker color. Setup complete. Alright. The weight is alright. And hold it by one hand is very easy. Put my cell phone on there. Yeah, now you can see it pretty clear. And let's take a picture. Alright, picture taken. For operation, it's pretty simple. The first one is the camera mode, and this is the storage mode. I can see what I have taken for the picture, right? It's right there. And you can do the upload, download, delete right on this camera. And the third one is the setting. So I put a photo as separate JPEG. And let's take another picture to see what actually it is. Alright, so this is my third picture, and what it gives you is the real picture and the thermal imaging. This is my video light. I'm going to take a picture. It shows exactly where it's hot, where it's cold. Let's check it out. So this is the light that I'm taking the thermal imaging, and this is thermal, right? Exactly show you where you take the picture and how the temperature difference. All right, now I'm going to power it off very quickly, and let's put this lanyard in it. All right, just like this, right? You don't worry about if it's falling off. It's pretty expensive device. You put this one into this package. Very good. So nice. Very good setup. I'm very happy with this purchase, and I'm gonna using it for a home inspection. Hopefully this video is helpful. Thank you very much.